Hey everyone, welcome back to AJ Science and Tech. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who's serious about cooking, baking, or meal prep: the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. Whether you're counting macros, on a keto journey, or just want to get precise measurements in your recipes, this digital kitchen scale is a fantastic tool to have on hand. Let's take a closer look at what makes it stand out. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale offers precision and simplicity for your kitchen needs. It's a digital scale that measures in both grams and ounces, making it perfect for everything from baking to meal prep to portion control for weight loss. It features a 300 for stainless steel surface, which is not only durable and easy to clean, but also gives the scale a sleek, modern look. This scale is ideal for anyone who wants to take the guesswork out of cooking or dieting. Its accurate measurements allow you to get precise portions every time, making it great for following recipes or keeping your food intake on track. One of the biggest selling points of the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is its high-precision sensors. It can measure as little as 1 gram (0.1 ounces) and can go up to 11 pounds (5 kilograms). Whether you're weighing out small amounts of spices or large portions of meat, you'll get precise, consistent measurements every time. This kind of accuracy is key for baking, where precise measurements can make or break a recipe, and for meal prep, where every calorie and macro counts if you're following a specific diet plan like keto. The scale is designed with a 300 for stainless steel platform, which gives it a durable and easy-to-clean surface. The stainless steel is resistant to stains and odors, so it'll stay looking sharp, even with regular use. The medium size makes it compact enough to fit easily in your kitchen but large enough to handle various food items. It also features an LCD display that's easy to read, even in low light. The display shows the weight in grams, ounces, pounds, or milliliters, depending on your preference. Switching between units is as simple as pressing a button, making it incredibly user-friendly. One of the most convenient features is the tare function. This allows you to subtract the weight of containers or bowls, so you're only measuring the food itself. It's a real-time saver and a must for anyone doing serious cooking or meal prep. This scale isn't just for measuring solid food items, it also has a liquid measurement mode for things like water or milk. So whether you're measuring ingredients for a recipe or portioning out liquids for your meals, the Etekcity scale has you covered. The Etekcity scale runs on standard batteries and is designed to be energy efficient, so you won't find yourself constantly replacing batteries. The scale also has an auto-off feature, which helps conserve power by turning off the scale when it's not in use. In terms of durability, the stainless steel build means it's tough enough to withstand daily use in a busy kitchen. It's also lightweight and easy to store, so you can tuck it away when you're not using it without taking up much space. So, who is the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale for? Whether you're into baking, cooking, meal prepping, or simply trying to be more mindful of portion sizes for weight loss, this scale is a great addition to your kitchen. Its precision, versatility, and sleek design make it an excellent tool for any home cook or health enthusiast. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use kitchen scale that delivers accurate measurements every time, the Etekcity scale should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and kitchen gadget reviews right here on AJ Science and Tech. Thanks for watching AJ Science and Tech. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.